Hi,
Hi, ma'am.
are you part of Brahmastra?
Yes,
Which batch?
Brahmastra 6 from the September.
Batch 6. So have you attended like previous sessions also?
Yes, I have attended all the sessions and I found them very interesting and very helpful, which are very different from the other institutes. Uh, so I have attended all the sessions. Like mainly, I found the data and fact session and especially the Disha session is very helpful. Sir is covering comprehensively in the Disha session about the various parts of answer writing. So he has started from the introduction part, like what type of introduction and what are the various ways you can recall data and facts in the introduction. And he has comprehensively provided the references to toppers copies. So we have got a good reference, and of course practice is the most important thing.
Okay, so how is like Disha session different from other conventional answer writing sessions?
I think the most important part is sir is making us practice comprehensively in the class itself, and not just giving us theoretical and factual data to us, which is more helpful.
So what do you have to say about Sugam sir?
I really think this is something different from other institutes. I did not expect this to be so good, and I would really recommend it to other students.
Thank you.